Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
How do I look?
Oh, why did you ask that?
She's just curious about her face.
Hey, there's someone knocking. Chel, can you please open the door?
Okay. Yes?
Good day. This is the house of Mr. Juan and Mr. Pedro.
Kuya?
Oh, what can I do for you, sir?
There is a letter from the Emperor, both of you.
Thank you. The letter said that Our Majesty called us for a job.
Both of us should go there.
So, we will be left here.
Yes, and you should take good care of our sisters while we are not here.
Okay, Kuya. But when would you come back?
As soon as possible as we finish our work.
Wait, after your work, could you bring us some presents?
Yes, of course. The three of you would receive if you will be a good girl.
Yeah, sure we will. Okay.
Maris, please prepare our things.
Okay, Kuya.
Here's your things, Kuya.
Thank you.
Are you also, Kuya?
Thank you.
Pedro, we should go now.
Okay.
Take good care there, Kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye,
Take
Kuya.
care.
Okay.
Don't forget our presents, ha?
Yes, of course.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kuya.
Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.
Love you, goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Preview.
Bye. What a day.
Sister, do you think Kuya will come back?
Oh, maybe it's them. Oh, Kuya.
Here we are.
Hi,
See you
Kuya.
again, sisters.
How's your work, Kuya?
It's fine, but we are so tired from work.
You sit down, Kuya.
So tired.
Oh, we could take time to relax.
I have an idea. Why don't we go at the beach?
Oh, that's a great idea. We could enjoy there.
Yes, we could. And we have something to give to three of you.
What day?
Maybe a day after tomorrow.
Yes, brother. That's great.
Oh, what a beautiful place, man.
Yeah, you're right, dude.
Why don't we go there?
Duh, it's so very hot.
Sister, you're so demanding.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Ano?
Watch me while I stand here. Watch my feet, my stance, my body language. I'm not someone to be messed with. I'm a boss on a mission. Know you're challenging the best here. Now it's gonna be real hard, but I'm gonna be okay. As long as I try real hard, I'm always gonna find my way. Yeah. I'ma find my way. Yeah.
Let me tell them. I'ma stand up like a soldier. I'ma get them till it's over. I'll be marching till the beat.
Oh, there he is. Hey, it's nice to see you again, pare.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Okay, you invited them. By the way, they are my sisters.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too. God.
Wait, Kuya. Where's our gift?
Yes, our present. Where is it?
Oh, I almost forgot. Here.
Huh? What kind of thing is this? So different.
She's talking to me.
What really kind of
That's a mirror.
Staring at me. No,
That's a mirror.
really?
Yes.
Oh God.
Mario gave me that. Right, Mario?
It's from me. You know, guys, all of the people now is having a mirror. You're so funny, guys, you know?
What kind of these things? God.
Oh, that's good. We are very thankful for these presents.
Whatever you do, reflects in the mirror. So bring this smile to the mirror so that it brings smile to you. Right, sister?
Okay, Kuya. Thank you.
Right?
Thank you so much. Beautiful. Yeah.
Good.
Get your sparkle on. Show this world where you belong. All it takes is a little faith. Believe it. Get your sparkle on. Listen to your heart and feel the beat is strong. When you're in doubt, glitter it out every time. Lights up, let's rock the runway. This time we'll take the fun way. What's in, you gotta let it out. Dig deep for inspiration. Try on your new creation. Stay true, that's what it's all about.
Wonderful.
Don't let the doubters, shouters, pouters to turn you inside out. Don't let them bring you down. You got to move it, choose it. Now's the time to prove it.
Wow.
3, 2, 1. Get your sparkle on. Show this world where you belong. All it takes is a little faith. Believe it. Which pink decisions, decisions. Don't think, just follow your vision. If it's you, you know you can't go wrong. The doubters, shouters, pouters to turn you inside out. Fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like